Hello, I didn't see you there. I can't be long, there's someone looking for me right now. But first of all, before I go away, let me quickly tell you about the Diamondbrite Winter Swag bag. This contains everything you need for a clean getaway this winter. This bag is the biggest steal of the winter. Individually, these things are £28.95, but I can do them for you for £20.95. That's a 27% saving, you know. There's Ultra Glass Window Cleaner. Your wheelman will thank you for a spotless windscreen. Ruby Red Wheel Cleaner, so you can have the shiniest alloys in the prison car park on visiting day. Extreme De-icer, if your getaway car is frosted up, a quick squirt and you're on your way. Rainscreen, if it's raining when you're trying to make your break for it, the water will just bead off the windscreen, giving you a clear run. And there's a bottle of one-shot screen wash so you can keep a clear view on the move. And finally, a quality ice scraper, so even on the frostiest of mornings, you can be ready to get away. The police won't stand a chance. And all in this swag bag for an easy getaway. And as it's over £20, there's free delivery. And if you go and spend over £30 in the online store, get a free alloy wheel brush. The promotion is on the run until the 30th of January. I think I might be as well. Gotta go.